everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Ys Memoire, The Oath of Felghana, the refined edition for the Nintendo Switch 1, not 2. So yes, the game is on the cartridge. It's not a key card. I'm actually kind of happy because I first bought this and then I had to return it because finance was going on. I couldn't spend like $100 on this thing. Thought, well, there goes my chance to get that. But apparently, many of these were made, and so then I got it on sale for $35. So it's like, yay! So sometimes it's not a terrible thing to wait, folks. This is a big collector's edition. It comes in this cardboard box. I have been enjoying the Ys games. I actually was introduced to it by Ys 8 on the Google Stadia, if you can believe it or not. This has a bunch of things. It has a game, a keychain set, CD, postcard set, microfiber cloth, whatever that is. So let's open it. Let's see what happened, what you get with this. Well, I got it for $35, but this thing retails for $100. And I don't think this is one of the main Ys games. I think it's like a side game or something like that. Ys has this interesting thing where they will make some side games, and except for one in particular, which was Ys Origins, I'm not entirely sure what makes the other side games and not main games, considering they all basically play the same. Origins is the only one that makes sense because Christian Adol is not the main protagonist in that one. So let's open this up. I do like, ooh, so we have this, we obviously have the game, this nice game right here. I'm actually going to be installing it tonight, so we'll open this while we're at it. I wonder if we'll get something extra cool, like a manual maybe, because I just got that Rune Factory game for Switch 2 and had to make like a post-opening video because I did not actually think it would have a games manual in there, which is so rare these days. But hey, this is a collector's edition. Maybe we can expect a manual in here. Oh my gosh, there's a manual. It's called an adventure guide, and okay, it's not a traditional manual. It does have the characters here, and I guess we have the map. We do have the map, so it's not like a manual. It's an adventure guide, but it's really cool, and we have, as you can see, an alternate cover on the other side. I'm gonna keep this cover. I think that's pretty nice, personally. Let's see what else is here. All right, so we have the music CD. We have the music CD. All music by Falcon Sound Team Japan. Let's watch. This thing is going to become like really rare and out of print after I open all this, and I'm gonna go like, oh, why did I open that one? I could have sold it for hundreds of dollars and retired on the beaches of Miami or something like that. But what the heck, for you guys, we'll do it. So that's the soundtrack, like the disc. There's 14 tracks. I'm sure there's more music in the game than that. Nothing behind the CD. So yeah. Okay, let's oh wow, this one's getting hard to put back in. Come on. Wow, that was more difficult than I had anticipated. Great. Once you open it, it's one of those things. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this is the cloth. I guess that's a nice cloth. Nothing against that. I'm going to put the CD down here, folks, because it's just not sticking up. Here are the postcards. Let's take a look and see what they look like. I mean, they don't even. Funny thing about these postcards is that I wonder if any of them actually get sent or if people just keep them. Okay, well, that's obviously the best one of the four. A couple of these are a little A couple of these are a little naughty looking. You see things like that, and I do kind of wonder, like, am I getting a little too old for RPGs? You know. Well, I'll put them back I'll put them back in later. So those are the postcards. We do have some more things. Now this, as I look at it, I am not going to open, if I can get it out. I'm not going to open this one because this I probably would sell. But here are keychains of the main characters, and they also give you this so that you can attach them. I guess one of these plastic things fell off in transit, so there you go. You gonna stay there? Okay, you're gonna stay there, and that is it. There is nothing else in here. So that is the Ys Memoire Collector's Edition for the Nintendo Switch. Nice little package for $35. Now, is it worth $99? I'm going to let you decide that. That's one of the reasons I do these unboxings for these select video games. But hey, I mean, it's not a bad collection. And I mean, anything that comes with like a CD that I can actually rip and put on my iPod, that's cool in my book. The cloth was an interesting addition. And I do like that there was like a manual of some sort. And manuals are so cute these days. I wish more people would do them. But anyway, that's what we have here. I'm curious, any of you get this set? What do you think of it? Was this available on the PS4? I don't remember seeing for the PS4, but maybe it was. I mean, I usually play these games on the PlayStation 4, but it would be kind of nice to play this on the Switch as well. So I would like to know if any of you have this. What do you think of this? You can comment below and like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.